Hey guys, it's Stern W. We're going to do a quick unboxing and review of my first cordless polisher buffer. This is pretty awesome. I got this about a couple of months ago and I've been loving it because I basically like polishing my cars, and especially if it's before a winter or before spring and summer, so that if it rains, the car just comes right off of it and keeps it nice and clean. This buffer is a dual action orbital buffer, of course, and it's cordless, so you don't see a cord. The good thing is that I use it to apply the compound or polish, and also use it to remove it, and also put my wax on when wax off. It's so useful. It already comes with like the charger, the battery, the buffer, of course, and it comes with plenty of pads. So if you want to do like depends on what type of cut you want to do, but I just use a general one. So I could do a quick polish, and then I do a quick wax. Power wise, there comes with a one battery, 4 amp hour battery, and you have to hold it down to see the level. And this is not the same as my other batteries, so it's not cross compatible. So I guess you have to go back to the company to find more batteries. It has 5 levels of power you could use, and of course this is a Velcro, you know, pad that goes onto it. It's a 6-inch pad, and just Velcroed on, Velcro off. Handle wise, it comes with 2 handles. It comes with a U-bar handle like this one, which I really love because you could put it at different angles, makes it really, really comfortable and ergonomic. And it also comes with that other handle, which is basically a 90-degree angle. It's all held down by these Allen wrench screws, and it comes with the tools to take it off. And overall, it's very, very versatile and very ergonomic for me. So next thing is that it's pretty not lightweight. I'm gonna be honest. It's not lighter than my corded one, but it is convenient. So if you're doing, let's say, if you need something that you don't have a power supply where you work, this is perfect for it. And if you're doing a quick job like on just for fun, if you're just detailing your car, this makes it very, very easy and convenient to use, because all you do is charge it up, use it. And since I usually polish I have like 2 cars, so I usually polish them every 3 months, every quarter, and usually definitely do a full detail on before a new season like winter or fall. It's very, very convenient to take out all the scratches and other stuff and just give it a nice polish and wax and wash, or wash and wax. So overall, just put a few drops of polish or wax, and apply it. It's perfect to apply it, and then removing it is fine too. I actually use um, going back and forth, vertical and then horizontal, so it's nice and even for the paint. Then I use these microfiber bonnet covers. I guess these are microfiber bonnets, and I just basically use that to remove the wax or remove the polish. And it's that simple. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.